Okay, so let's talk about gaming, because right now we are in the middle of a massive shift. You've got AI and Web3 technologies smashing together, and it's creating this incredible new frontier for anyone who makes games. And right at the heart of it all is a toolkit that might just change everything for creators. And if you need proof that this is happening, like right now, just look at this number. At the start of 2025, Web3 gaming saw a 300% surge in daily active users. 300%! This isn't some trend that's 5 years away. It is an absolute explosion happening as we speak. And the opportunity here is just staggering. We're talking about a market that's on track to blow past $600 billion by 2030. You've got 70% of the top studios already pouring money into Web3. I mean, we're seeing huge names like Sony, Ubisoft, and Square Enix all announcing Web3 games. It's clear the industry is gearing up for something big. But that begs a pretty big question, right? With all this momentum, with all this excitement, what's the bottleneck? If the future is so bright, what's actually stopping developers from diving in headfirst today? Well, it really boils down to this classic developer's dilemma. The old way of doing things is, well, it's a mess. You're trying to juggle a dozen different service providers, you're wrestling with these super complex integrations, and your costs just spiral out of control. But the new way, it's one single platform with seamless plug-and-play tools that can literally cut your development costs in half. So what is this magic solution? It's exactly what it sounds like, an all-in-one toolkit built for this new world of gaming. It's called FoundationX, or FXT, and you can think of it as the ultimate toolbox for a modern game developer. It brings everything together: the normal Web 2 stuff you need, all the cutting-edge Web 3 infrastructure, and even powerful AI tools, all under one roof. No more juggling. And when we say starter kit, we mean it. This thing is packed. You've got AI tools that can help you create storyboards and videos. You've got all the Web3 plumbing like wallets and NFT marketplaces built right in, plus all the live services like quests and season passes you need to keep your players hooked. It's all just there. And you know what makes this so compelling is that it was built by people who get it. The founders are industry vets, and this quote from them really says it all. They've lived the nightmare, so they built the solution. They've solved the exact problems that they themselves were facing every single day. So let's zoom out for a minute. What does a tool like this really mean for the bigger picture? How does it actually change the future of play? Because, the end goal here isn't just about making development faster or cheaper. It's about something way more exciting. By making all this complex tech simple, you're basically unlocking the next generation of pure creativity. You're freeing up creators to just focus on what they're amazing at, building new worlds and telling cool stories. And really, that leaves us with this incredible, inspiring question to think about. When all that technical complexity just melts away, when the only thing holding a creator back is their own imagination, what kind of amazing new worlds are they going to build for us to go and play in?